Welcome to the world of crypto trading bots. Imagine having a digital assistant that trades cryptocurrencies for you, 24/7. Sounds cool, right? So, what exactly is a crypto trading bot? Simply put, it's software that automatically buys and sells cryptocurrencies based on predefined strategies. Think of it as your personal trader, working tirelessly while you sleep or enjoy your day. Let's break it down. First, these bots analyze market data. They look at price trends, trading volumes, and even news events. With this information, they make informed decisions. For example, if Bitcoin's price is rising, the bot might buy more. If it starts to drop, it could sell to minimize losses. Now, how do these bots work? Most use algorithms, which are sets of rules or instructions. These algorithms can be simple, like buying when the price hits a certain point, or complex, using machine learning to adapt to market changes. There are several types of trading bots. First up, arbitrage bots. These bots exploit price differences across various exchanges. If Bitcoin is cheaper on one exchange than another, the bot buys low and sells high, pocketing the difference. Next, market-making bots. These bots provide liquidity by placing buy and sell orders around the current market price. They profit from the spread between these orders, ensuring smoother trading experiences. Then, trend-following bots come into play. These bots identify upward or downward trends and trade accordingly. If the market is bullish, they buy. If bearish, they sell. Finally, there are grid trading bots. These bots create a grid of buy and sell orders at set intervals. This strategy capitalizes on market fluctuations, ensuring trades are executed regardless of market direction. Using a trading bot can save time and reduce emotional trading. Humans often make impulsive decisions based on fear or greed. A bot, however, sticks to its strategy, making trades based on data rather than emotions. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Crypto markets can be volatile, and no bot can guarantee profits. It's essential to choose a reliable bot and understand the risks involved. Always do thorough research before diving in. Setting up a trading bot is usually straightforward. Most platforms offer user-friendly interfaces. After creating an account, users can customize their bot settings, like choosing trading pairs and setting profit targets. Once everything is set, the bot goes to work. Users can monitor its performance through dashboards, which display real-time data and trading history. Now, here's a pro tip. Start with a demo account. Many platforms offer this feature, allowing users to test strategies without risking real money. It's a great way to learn the ropes. As the video wraps up, remember that crypto trading bots can be powerful tools in your trading arsenal. They can help maximize profits and minimize losses, but they require careful planning and monitoring. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Join the Crypto Genius community for more insights and tips on navigating the exciting world of cryptocurrency. Happy trading!